Hello and welcome to week 5. This week we are going to be learning about backbones. Instead of just calling them backbones, we are going to be learning some new vocabulary words. We're going to be learning about the word invertebrate and vertebrate. For those of you asking what does that mean, great question. Here are the directions for our new vocabulary words. I have already wrote out the definition, and I have also given you examples of these animals that are part of the invertebrate and vertebrate group. When you are all done with that, I encourage you to watch the video that I found at Kent School that you can use. It is a YouTube video, so you start it just by clicking the red arrow. These cute little blue buttons down here do not work. It is a screencast that another teacher made, and it does not work if you click on these. So you have to treat it just like a regular YouTube video. So if I click on the red dot right here, it works. If I go and try to touch the buttons, the blue ones, it doesn't do anything. So that is why you have to treat it just like a YouTube video. After you do that, there is a quiz to re-sum up what we've been talking about. So to take the quiz, you scroll down using the bar, and then you hit start just like before. Just like the test before, you click on your answer, and it'll tell you if you are correct or incorrect. Since there's only 6 questions and I've done this before, I'm not going to show you how to do it. I'm going to have you do the questions all by yourself. If it does not work, you can scroll over with the bottom bar, and a blue box that says submit will work. I have more information. If you're interested, just click on any of the links below. You can just click on the red YouTube video play button, just like on Bill Nye the Science Guy here. I have some other videos such as Brain Pop. This one's just about backbones. The Brain Pop below it is about invertebrate with no backbones. And then here's a cute little quiz that will be helpful as a study guide during the test. I have some websites that will help you as well. You just simply click on the link and it'll take you directly to the website. This week, instead of having all games, which I do have a classification game, I have some crafts and some yummy treats that you can make at home to help you remember what vertebrates are and invertebrates are. Remember, every time that you finish a week, take a look at the break time and see what the animals that relate to this classification are doing. Go and visit a polar bear that has a backbone. See how he is different than a snake. Look at animals and see how they're using these characteristics and how it makes them different from other animals. So that's all that you're doing this week. You are just studying what it means, watching the video, reviewing, taking a 6-question test, and then gaining some more information. As always, you can always go back. These links always stay open. So just because you complete week 4 doesn't mean that it's closed. You can always go back and use it. So encourage you to keep looking at things on Google, searching the internet, finding some resources that are good to help you understand the characteristics a little bit better. I also encourage you to go to the break time and view the animals at the San Diego Zoo and see what they're up to and see how they look different using their different characteristics, such as warm-blooded and cold-blooded animals. That is another characteristic you can view at the zoo too. So next week I will see you. It is week 6. It is our last week of a lesson before we go on to week 7, where we learn what you have learned about this unit. If you have any questions, please email me. Please send me an email if you find anything helpful that you think will be great for the class. Until then, I will see you at week 6, where you learn about food. Sounds yummy. See you then.